Hi and welcome to this Key Learning Initiative video. Today's topic is finance and we're working with percentage increase and decrease. Before we go any further though, please like and share this video, and if you're not subscribed, please click on the little subscribe button so that you can see more and more of my content. But let's get going with what we're doing now. So we're going to look at percentage increase first, and there's basically two steps to do this. The first step is calculate the percentage of the price, or the percentage of the item that you're increasing. Then add that to the original price. Remember, we're talking about finance, and that's why we normally talk about price. So let's look at an example. Example 1. Increase 100 by 25%. So our first step is we calculate the percentage of the price. To do this, we say 100 times 25%. Now, if you have a nice scientific calculator, you can put that in your calculator as is and press equals, you'll get your answer. However, if you don't, we then have to use our fractions, and so we have 100 times 25 over 100 to get your answer. If you then cancel, you should get 25. Now our step 2, or the second part of it, add the above answer to the original price. In other words, we take 100 and we add the 25 which we just got, and that gives us a total of 125. And so if I've increased 100 by 25%, it comes to 125. Example 2, and this is a more real life example. So Jeff is getting a 15% increase in his pocket money. If he gets 350 Rand now, how much will he receive with the increase? So our first step, or our first part, we have to take 350 and we multiply it by 15%. And if we don't have a calculator, we have to use fractions. If we do have a calculator or a scientific calculator, we just put it in and press equals. But as I said, if we don't, we have to use our fractions, and we have 350 times by 15 over 100. If you cancel and work that out, you'll get 52 Rand 50. Now it says take that 15% that we've just worked out and add it to the original price. So we take 350 and we add our 52 Rand 50, and that gives us a total of 402 Rand and 50 cents. Okay, two examples for percentage increase. So percentage decrease, almost identical to percentage increase, but instead of adding, we subtract. But let's have a look. Our steps: calculate the percentage of the price, which we've done in percentage increase, and then subtract the above answer from the original price. So instead of adding it, we subtract. Instead of increasing, we decrease. So let's look at an example, and for this video, that's example 3. Decrease 100 by 25%. So 100 times by 25%, exactly the same as percentage increase, and that equals, again, if you have a scientific calculator, lucky you put it in, you press equals, you get your answer. Otherwise, we take out our fractions and we get 100 times 25 over 100, and when we cancel, we're given 25. The second part, we take our original amount, which is 100, and then we subtract our 25, which we have just calculated, and that gives us 75. Decreasing, it makes it less. Example 4. Jeff broke his cell phone. His mom says he will pay 20% of his pocket money to fix it. If he gets 402 Rand and 50 cents now, how much will he receive after the money is taken off? Alright, so let's have a look. He gets 402 Rand 50. And we want to work out 20% of that. So times 20%. And that equals. Now again, scientific calculator, yay. If not, we have to take out our fractions and we have to work it out. And we either put it in our calculator or we cancel as we need, and we get 80 Rand and 50 cents. Our second part is we take our original amount, which is 402 Rand 50. Then we subtract the amount that we've just calculated, and that gives us a total of 322 Rand. And so after he's paid his mom back the extra 20% off his allowance or off his pocket money, he will only get 322 Rand. So very important, remember your units. Let's look at example 2 and example 4. If you see at the beginning of example 2, I don't have any units. Likewise, when I'm adding my 52 Rand 50, I don't have units. If we look at example 4, in front of my 402 Rand 50, I don't have any units. And when I'm subtracting my 80 Rand and 50 cents, again, I don't have any units. However, if I look in front of my answers after the equal sign, in example 2 and example 4, you can see I have the Rand sign there. Check with your teachers, but this should be all you need. If you want to put the Rand sign in everywhere, you are very welcome to, and that's not a problem. But when it's being marked, you need Rands only as you give every answer. So very important to remember. Please check with your teacher. So thank you for watching this Key Learning Initiative video on finance, specifically percentage increase and decrease. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please remember to like and to share the video. And guys, your comments are always welcome. So please, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Otherwise, I hope this video has been helpful.